Hello everyone! So if you want to set up the fingerprint scanner on your Redmi Note 13, so first of all open up your settings. Now you're gonna scroll down to your always on display and lock screen. Oh no, I'm sorry, you're to scroll down to passwords and security tab. Open it up, find your fingerprint unlock, and I will be prompted to enter your PIN if you already have one. Right, press next. Now press add fingerprint. Now you're to confirm your PIN, and now you are to add your fingerprint. So make sure that both finger and your screen are clean. Now simply put your finger and lift it up when you'll feel a vibration. Change the position of fingers so the fingerprint will remember your finger better, right? And will give you up a better result. So lift up your finger. Try to get all parts of it. Now press done, and here you can have your fingerprints, so you can add up more fingerprints for different fingers or for different people. And basically that's it. Now if we're gonna turn off our phone, as you see, I can unlock it simply with a fingerprint. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.